Tomas.
So, welcome. Good to see everyone. And before starting presentation about .LT domain, I would like to congratulate .LV domain, all the .LV team, and we brought some tree symbol, which symbolizes.
It's a tree.
Yes, which symbolizes life, growth, wellness. So that's all we wish to you and all your team. And don't forget that you are important not only for your internet community here in Latvia, but you are as a tree in the forest of a global domain name industry.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. The floor is yours.
Thank you.
And this is mine.
So, a presentation is welcome to .LT domain. So it's a short presentation about our registry and domain. So, in short about domain, it's we feel already mature. We're already 31 years old, so the oldest from the Baltics. From 2004, all Lithuanian characters can be used in domain name, so I mean the IDN was enabled, but still it's not very popular. We have around 1% of all registered domain names. We have procedural regulation for .LT domain since 2007, but in general our rules are quite liberal. So, but of course, there are some restrictions, like there is a law that the use of the name of the Republic of Latvia should be used only with permission of the Communication Regulatory Authority of Lithuania. We use registry registrar registrant model, so I think it's most common maybe. Our systems for registrar, our domain name registry system is enabled via EPP protocol and web interfaces. So registrars can use both of them. We also provide public data via WHOIS service. We have some additional service, I think, like URID, which is domain availability service, when you can request without rate limiting availability of domain names. But more information is on our website. We also, since 2019, have data provisioning portal. So all the information or data about private persons who are domain name registrants are provided via this portal. And for 1 year, we already have domain name suggestion tool. So we provide information about possible other domain names you can use if the wanted domain name is already registered by someone else. So we provide also an API for registrars if we want to use this service and to use in their website for their customers. About operation of .LT domain, so as all of TLD registries, I think now, at least in Europe, are a critical information infrastructure. So we are critical information infrastructure in Lithuania since, I think, 2016. So already for 4 years, we are 27001 ISO certified, so it's an information security management system in place. We operate quite big our IT infrastructure, so we have 4 own DNS Anycast clouds, and equipment now is in more than 25 data centers. mainly in Lithuania, but also outside Lithuania. So, and DNS service is IPv6 enabled, DNSX enabled, but I think it should be enabled in every modern registry. So. Now let's talk about our registry. So the registry is a department, it's actually Internet Service Center at the Kaunas University of Technology, and there are 16 employees. So, and some of services are provided by the university, but all the main services related to the domain name administration are provided by our local staff. So, and we are trying our staff to be high skilled, so we are sending them to trainings, and our team, as I know, now also participating in this CyberChess conference CTF exercises, so we are solving tech puzzles in cybersecurity. And we're also members of Center, RIPE, and CCNSO at ICANN. Other activities, so we have some trainings about domains and internet addressing for registrars. We have an annual registrar meeting. It will be in the beginning of December. And we have trainings for businesses, for law enforcement, actually about internet addressing, how to find information about not only about domain names, but also about IP addresses and so on. So, one of our latest projects is a common project with National Cybersecurity Center. So it's a DNS firewall. So I think it was initiative from Cybersecurity Center, but we are providing the technical operation of the service. And Cybersecurity Center, we are providing the blacklists. We also operate registrar, so we call it registrar of last resort. So also to be sure that if all other registrars goes out of business or just say we will not, I don't know, serve to some client, they always can come to us, and we are operating as registrar. I have different infrastructure, different website, and so we can supply the service. And we also providing DNS service for Lithuanian Academic and Research Network. So it's technical service for recursive DNS servers. Let's talk about our registrars. So we have accreditation process in place. So there are some administrative, technical, financial requirements that should be fulfilled by the registrar. So currently we have more or less about 120 registrars. So some of them becoming new, some of them just contracts ending. So and half of them are local Lithuanian registrars, half of them foreign. We have one dominating registrar, which holds more than 50% of .LT domain market share. So, but at the moment, let's say last half a year, the market share is a little bit decreasing. So, and I hope that other registrars are doing well to increasing their market share. Also, we have many small registrars, so about 50 registrars administers less than 100 .LT domains each. And let's talk about registrants. So we have plenty of registrants, but it's not too crowded, so you can still come to and register .LT domain. So it's not millions, it's only 230,000 domain names. So I think you will find the name you would like to register. majority of our registrants are locals, so it's about 85%. Fourth place by the nationality of our registrants is Estonians, and seventh place is Latvia. I think second place is Germans, if I am not mistaken. Actually, private registrants are quite active. There are more legal entities as a registrants, but still more than 40% of registrations are by private persons. So we think that it's good. And domainers, yes, we have them. More than 100 registrants have more than 50 domain names each. From my knowledge, one of the biggest registrants, one registrant have more than 1,000 domain names registered on his name. But it's a part of our ecosystem. So because some of registrants could do the business, how to say, without cyber squatting, maybe just using other resources like for attracting network traffic. Some of them, of course, could behave badly, but then there are some procedures and court for these cases. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.